complex is something that's been in the planning since the military dictatorship. And people of the Xingu River up and down the basin have been resisting this project for about 30 years because it represents the destruction of their way of life, of the river basin. Right now, the Brazilian government is proposing a dam complex that will divert 80% of the river's flow into artificial canals and to the dam's powerhouse, leaving what's known as the Volta Grande, the big bend of the Xingu, with only a 20% or less of its natural flow.